everybody, and happy Labor Day weekend. And it's a beautiful weekend here in Chicago. It's Greg here of GregRBaird, so thanks for joining me. I just wanted to come on and do a little quick video. I don't have a whole lot going on this weekend, although I'm planning a little dinner tonight with my bestie, and got brunch plans tomorrow and stuff. You know, the typical gay man kind of thing, you know, sort of. But I just wanted to come on. I haven't posted in a couple of weeks. The content, I haven't had a whole lot of stuff going on other than I'm working on lecture things and content for my upcoming fall tour. And I'm doing a memorial right now for a camper friend and a person I was a mentor for back when I worked at Camp Sloan in Lakeville, Connecticut, and those details will come up soon. I'll probably do a little video on my dear friend Anthony, who passed away in July, tragically. So I've been working on that. It's been a little sad. But anyway, trying to do something good for him and his memory. So anyway, I just want to come on and say hello. I hope you're having a great weekend. Lots of stuff going on. 2 weeks. Excuse me, in 2 weeks, I'm going to be in Florida. I'm visiting my dad and my brother. And then I leave Orlando. I'm going to Key West for the Out Louder weekend. And I cannot wait for this. So, and we're all going to be videoing and filming. It's going to be like a Steven Spielberg film fest. So, anyway, Chicago, the weather's great. It's going to be a hot one today. The weekends have been a little cool. For all of those of you that think I'm going to Saugatuck this weekend, nope, not going to Saugatuck this weekend. I'm here trying to save a little cash and not spend a whole lot before I go for the Out Louder weekend, and that's going to be awesome. Looking forward to seeing my dad and my brother. My dad is turning 95 years old. I know. September 23rd. So going down a few days before his birthday, going out for lunch and seeing him, and it's going to be great. So wherever you are, I hope you're having a great weekend. You got some wonderful things planned. Be inclusive with other people. Please be the voice of your life. Be the voice of the lives in other folks. And remember to subscribe. Hit the like button down here, thumbs up, please. I'd like to have my subscribers and reach out to more people and send my message of hope, love, peace, inclusion, community, DEI, all that great stuff. So, love to hear from you. Make sure you comment down below and share. And I will see you soon. I don't know when it's going to be, but I'll post some small little snippets and video on here as we get closer to the Florida trip. But have a great one. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the friendship. And I will talk to you soon.